In this tutorial we will explore how to schedule automatic reports in Omni Intelligence. Scheduled reports can be generated and emailed as PDF or CSV files. First, let's open the Analytics section of the website. Before a report can be scheduled, its recipients should be configured. The recipients can be added via the Staff menu option. There are two types of recipients supported: individual contacts and groups. Let's create several contacts. Click Create New. Type the name of the contact as well as their email address. Click Create. Let's add another contact. Click Create. Now click Staff and then Groups. Click Create New. Let's name this group Supervisors and select the two contacts we have just created. Multiple contacts can be selected by holding down the Control key. Click Create. Now that our recipients are configured, let's schedule a report. Click Reports and then Historical. Click Manage Schedules. Now click Create New Schedule. Let's select the report template that this schedule should use to generate reports. Next, let's choose the reporting period. It can be either a specific date span or any of the other 6 options. Let's choose last week. If you wish this report to be emailed automatically, you can select either individual recipients or groups. Let's schedule this report to be sent to the Supervisors group. The default output format is PDF, but other formats are available. Omni Intelligence can also send an email to notify if a report generation failed. The schedule options are available in the last section. Here we can configure the time zone as well as the frequency at which the report should be generated. Click Save. The new schedule is active by default once it has been created. Thanks for watching and have a great day.